Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Our today's topic is to and fro motion of a ball in a bowl. It is called oscillatory motion, and we have this. First of all, I'll let you know that this is called the mean position of motion. It is the extreme right position, position A, and the other one is at the other extreme position, position B. So when we start the motion in the beginning, the ball lies at the mean position where the ball is in equilibrium, since weight of the ball is acting vertically downward and the reaction of the surface of the ball is acting vertically upward, and they cancel each other, so that there is no net force acting upon the ball and the ball remains in equilibrium. It doesn't move at all. Now we want to show that if we release the ball from the point A, it executes simple harmonic motion between the two extreme positions A and B. Now we take the ball to the extreme right position, and from where we'll release the ball. Taking ball to the extreme right position, a restoring force acts upon the ball and the ball moves toward the point O, the mean position, and keeps on oscillating between the two extreme positions around the mean position O. All the time a restoring force is acting opposite to the direction of motion of the ball, and the ball keeps on oscillating between two extreme positions A and B. In this way, the ball executes simple harmonic motion. I'll show that if we release it from the point A, a restoring force acts upon the ball and the ball moves toward the point O. Maximum velocity is at the point O, and the ball doesn't stop at the point mean position, and it keeps on moving towards the point extreme position B, and velocity goes on decreasing and decreasing because of the restoring force. It stops for a while at the point B, and if we release it from the point B after stopping for a while, it again oscillates about the mean position. So it's a very good example of the simple harmonic motion.